50 to the second, F8, good enough. 1600 ISO though, it's a little high. Well, let's get started, right? We're gonna bring out the big dog pan today. We're making Calico Beans. Big dog pan. We're gonna fry up some bacon and hamburger. Ground beef. Now what I prefer to do is to cook the bacon first. I'll drain most of that grease, but not all of it, and I'll cook the hamburger in the bacon grease. So the hamburger gets a little bit of bacon love. Recipe. Ooh, baby. Oh, just a little bit more. Am I even zoomed in right? Something seems off today. I mean, other than me. Oh, it's smoking already. Wow. Nice work. Oh, we're ready. Oh, does that smell good? Woo! We'll use this knife. Kind of creepy, eh? Ooh, you're going down. Keep this knife around. I'm gonna chop this bacon up after it's fried. We're gonna need a spatula for the hamburger. Spatula. Burn. No, don't burn it. Don't burn it. We're cooking with bacon. Oh yeah, forgot. Look at that. See that? Burk to burk. It's been that kind of week, actually, to be honest. That's kind of fun. Ooh, a little higher. Ha. Wow. Dings and dongs. What? Somebody like me on dating. I don't know. Probably not gonna check it out. Do the magic. Where are we going? In my belly. Merry Christmas, everybody. I don't know if I'll be making another video before Christmas, so I wish you Merry Christmas now so I don't miss it. So the last video I made, Italian sausage soup, man, I caught all kinds of hell for not showing the finished product and taking a taste of it, which actually it's a really good recipe. I love that recipe a lot. So I got to make sure I don't make that mistake again.
I can do that. I can do better. I can step up. Make the right choices.
What the f is going on up there? Hey, if you're gonna eat healthy bacon. That's what I always say. Burk to burk. A pound of hamburger. Now one thing you can do too, in terms of the hamburger, is season it how you like your hamburger. I like cooking with butter and some basic seasonings. I keep it simple, so whatever you like to cook your hamburger with, just go ahead and run it that way, because it's going to taste the way you like it. Mel! I could have been on that show. We're going to move now. Now remember, everything's cooked, right? You got, I mean, the beans are, already, ready to go. Not much you gotta do with the beans. Now the recipe calls for 2 smaller cans. I buy the big ones because they're it's a little cheaper if you buy them. The reason I buy these beans is to make this recipe, so I might as well just buy the bigger can, save a little bit of money. Ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, vinegar. I don't know. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Start dumping stuff in. Oh, this thing's heavy. Oh, shit. Alright. The butter beans you're going to want to drain. So, what I like to do there is I just cut it most of the way. Not all the way though. Boom. Boom. And you go. Just doesn't get much better than Bush's Best Baked Beans, I'm telling you. Just, you can't beat it. Obviously you don't drain this. You just dump it in. Ugh. So the next thing is going to be a 1/4 cup of mustard, 1/4 cup of ketchup as well. And I'm just going to wing it because it's not critical. It's all good. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, which is kind of an odd thing to, in terms of brown sugar, because you got Bush's Best Baked Beans, which I guarantee it has brown sugar in it. So vinegar, same thing, 4 tablespoons. Mix that stuff up. Simple, easy to make, yummy. Everybody loves it. Everyone's gonna love you. Especially this year, you know. You gotta pull at all the stops. Inappropriate behavior. Oh, man. Oh, I should just let those go. Huh, that's weird. Where that came from. I just found this on the floor. Like, I don't even know what that is. I mean, well, it's a tab, but I don't know what it's from. Put that away. Oh, they're just gonna find love amongst each other is what they're gonna do. I'm making a video. I'm gonna show you how to do this with one pan. Minimal style, like you don't have any pans left in your life. Maybe you only have one pan. You could do 2 pans. Put a little bacon grease in the hamburger one, I suppose. Well, you're not gonna get it now. It's just full of water right now. I don't know what's going on. This pig was well hydrated, probably. Probably worked out a lot, you know. Had a life of physical fitness. You know, if you're gonna do that, you gotta make sure you're well hydrated. It's critical. The way it is. Come on. Turn me on. Oh, that lens looks a little dirty. What kind of fuckery going on here? What do we got? Let it go. Let it go. I think this pig really was in shape. Well hydrated. Not a lot of fat, you know, for a pig. Arr. Let's try that again. Arr, how do I look? Arr. Arr, I'm a pirate. I'm a pirate with Chicago cutlery. I don't fucking know.